Hey guys, it's JoJo, and I have a new desk. That means I'm at my new house. So instead of my brown wooden one, I have a black one. And it's kind of small because, well, I have, well, let me show you. I have, all our video games are here. There's the Xbox and the PS3, and our laptop is there. Oh, and that's the Beyblade I'm going to be unboxing today. But yeah, anyway. Let's just get back to the Beyblade. So yeah, I moved recently, and I decided to check out the local Target, and I found this Meteo L-Drago Absorb version. Alright, Ultimate Meteo L-Drago Absorb version, DF105LRF, and it is an attack type. So here's the front of the box. And the back. Just move this up a little bit. There you go. And yeah, you could pause it if you want to check it out. And of course, there's always two ways for Meteo L-Drago. So let's just open this up. So let's just give away the code right now. Okay, and it looks like this on the inside. I don't know if you guys care about that, but anyway. Here's the dragon ripcord and the launcher. It's like a really dark gray, almost black. The other side, the instructions, you don't need to go over that. And here are the stickers. Okay, that's on to Beyblade. Oh, I forgot to show you the tool. It's blue. Right. Alright, so here's the Beyblade. This originally came with the Tokaratomi L-Drago Reshuffle set, but it's now a starter set released by Hasbro. Alright, so here's the face bolt. Dark blue, white printing. The energy ring or the clear wheel. Nice white and purple color. So I think this is just the regular L-Drago wheel. I don't think there's any difference. Just the color. And Meteo. Nice color. Silver and blue. And here are some new parts. DF105, downforce 105. So there is a downforce 145, but they've made it shorter. Okay, and the best part, LRF, which stands for left rubber flat. So with Galaxy Pegasus, it comes with R2F, which the pinwheel looking thing spins the other way, but this is going the other way. And it's kind of loose, because it's not reinforced at the bottom. So you just, yeah. But it's okay. Really good for left attackers, like if you want to use very Aries. Really good. And by the way, if you kind of look at my finger, it's kind of weird looking right there. It's super glue. I was fixing something and I got some super glue on me. But anyway. Alright. Alright, so let's just put this Beyblade together. It'll be on this mode. Okay, so there you have it. Meteo L-Drago Absorb. DF105LRF. Alright, so I'll do some battles with this Beyblade, with all the other new Beyblades I got. And that'll be coming up really soon, so stay tuned for that. Thank you guys for watching, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time.